Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Connectome token. Ticker symbol is CNTM. This token is being listed soon on a central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here. So the Connectome token is being listed on a central exchange called Mexc Global, April 12th, 14 hours UTC time. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search CNTM, and then simply just buy the token. And it'll be available, like I said, April 12th. Before that, you can get involved with the Kickstarter event. So it says the Connectome Kickstarter is coming to Mexc Global. Vote with MX to support the CNTM listing and share 50 million CNTM airdrops. And so there is a voting period going on April 12th. And you can read the details about that on Mexc Global's Twitter. They just posted about that 9 hours ago at Mexc_global on Twitter. If you want to find Connectome's Twitter, it is at Connectome_CNTM. They have 27,600 Twitter followers, so they're doing very well. And then they also have a webpage, connectome.one. You can go over there. If you click on Learn More, it'll take you over to their white paper. So it says, make the world connect to me in the coming Web3 era based on artificial intelligence technology. So Connectome is devoted to building a distributed virtual human agent intelligent multi-ecosystem based on blockchain underlying technology that will provide solutions for decentralized finance as well as human and AI interaction. The world has undergone the technical transition from PC to smartphone. Today, the emergence of new devices such as smart speakers, together with artificial intelligence, virtual reality, augmented reality, 5G, blockchain, all these emerging technologies are coming out here. So the combination of AI and DeFi has further facilitated the development of a smart economy and AI. Connectome has pioneered and focused on developing VHA, human artificial intelligence interaction solutions. Today, VHA will open a new era allowing communication with human beings. In order to facilitate the development of VHA, Connectome is building an intelligent multi-ecosystem for linking VHA users, VHA enterprises, and VHA apps by means of blockchain technology, aggregate each human being and VHA data source, VHA app, AI service provider, AI resource provider, AI consumer, and financial industry for 4 modules. The CNTM network, CVHA intelligent brain platform, decentralized VHA market, and CNTM open intelligent cloud to realize breaking data monopoly for everyone to participate in innovation and data contribution, making finance more intelligent so as to realize rapid development of VHA multi-ecosystem. With Connectome ecosystem, everyone can become the creator of VHA, in which their innovations and produced data can be stored and processed privately so as to be protected and deposited to realize fair, orderly, and barrier-free interactive transactions of their own data. With Connectome ecosystem, everyone can participate in threshold-free trading of financial derivatives and enjoy AI investment advisory services without discrimination. Visual and AI smart services will be more widely used in financial scenarios. Connectome enables blockchain smart contracts and makes them smarter. It will break the barrier between the real world and the virtual world and bring people-oriented interactive interface. Moreover, it enables perfect combination of blockchain and AI to build a smart economic system for AI's ecosystem. So that's basically what this project is all about. Now, on their white paper, you can read about AI and data. There is a huge section about that. Talks about their interfaces on here. They also have infrastructure, blockchain sections. You can read all about that. Also, decentralized finance section. You can learn that. And the opportunity section is on here as well. And then they have the technical architecture and business architecture of Connectome system. Technical architecture is first. It shows like a huge picture, like a huge graph, basically how it works. The underlying infrastructure of the Cntm network, and this is the comprised of Cntm chain and AI resource collaborations open library in order to realize the VHA AI business scenario and take into account AI data demand and the requirement for high throughput and high concurrency. We will adopt the layer 2 technical solution of Cntm's network, by which a lot of work is placed off-chain. Only the most important contents of submitted on layer 1 chain for verification, and layer 1 can guarantee the security of layer 2. So they go over their chain, so they're going to have their own blockchain coming out in the future is what they're saying. Right now, this is just the token launch happening on Mexc Global, but this will be, further development in the future on their roadmap, I'm sure. And let's see if they do have a roadmap, actually. So they have a lot more sections you can read about a lot of their utilities on their white paper, of course. Very lengthy white paper, super tiny print. I had to magnify it. So they have the Connectome market, the distributed VHA market, their business model for that. Big section on that here. Scrolling forever, participants in the business ecosystem. They have a section on that. Okay, so here the token ecosystem. So it says the consistent total offering volume of Cntm is 140 million tokens, and no additional tokens will be issued forever. Preliminary offering tokens based on the Ethereum 20 standard. So that's what I said first. They're not going to come out with the chain. First is the ERC20 token. And yes, this will be launched on Mexc Global. It goes over the economic model and application of the token, the application uses of the Cntm token. You can use it in the DApp. You can use it as an asset exchange, service fee, cash deposit, transaction fee, and other core functions. Goes over the technology of the token. It's basically split up like this. So 15% of the tokens go to institutional investments, 20% community construction, 10% foundation, 10% technology development, 15% marketing, 15% founding team, and 15% ecological construction. And then they have the roadmap on here. Pretty lengthy roadmap. It's a couple pages. Just when they're going to release certain utilities and whatnot. They're going to have liquidity mining, I see on here. A bunch of AI, VHA milestones on here. And yeah, so check it all out. Connectome.one is their official webpage where you can find the roadmap. And you can find this token newly listed on Mexc Global April 12th, 14 hours UTC time. So check out that Mexc Global referral code down there. Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. Like this video. Subscribe, and leave a comment. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.